Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can archive notes in your Google Keep account. So let us get started. So navigate to your Google Keep account with your associated Gmail/Google account. And here in the notes on the left-hand side, guys, you will see that a list of your notes listed from the most recent or the pinned ones at the top. And what you want to do is simply click into one of these or hover your mouse into one of these notes. Let me go with the checklist here, and below you'll see these options. And next to the add image option, you will see the archive button. Click into it, and that is going to remove your note from that list here of your notes and navigate or move it to the archive folder. You may undo it anytime by clicking into this button in the bottom left corner after the archiving. Well, not anytime. You will have, of course, only up to, 5 or 10 seconds to undo this, but if you'd like to unarchive the given note, guys, simply navigate to your archive folder here, click into the given, hover your mouse into the given note and select this button again to unarchive it. And there you go, the note has been unarchived, and that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.